So if you want to become a top LLM engineer, developer, and a smart person in general, then the book list I'm going to share with you in this video, it's going to blow your mind. Whether you are coding your large language models and creating LLM based applications, or just love to learn new stuff and get your brain working, then these books I'm going to be sharing in this video will definitely change the game. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So here's the concept that most people don't understand. As you know, large language models have actually changed the whole game when it comes to productivity, building software. And so understanding how large language models work is imperative, especially for those of us who want to build LLM-based applications. So here's the first book that I'm going to share with you, which is Building LLM for Production. This is one of the best books that I've read so far when it comes to building large language model based applications. The book goes through prompting, fine-tuning, and RAG systems. If you don't know what RAG system is, I have a lot of videos in this channel that I talk about all these things. So it's a really good book. It's by Louis Francois Bouchard, I think I'm saying it correct, and Louis Peters. These are really good LLM engineers, and they do a great job by going through the process of understanding, first of all, what LLMs are, a little bit of history of LLMs, but they're really focused on the hands-on guides on LLMs, prompting, RAG, and fine-tuning. So if you get a chance to get this book, this is definitely a really good book. I read all of it in about 4 days. It's wonderful. And one thing I like about this book is the fact that, again, number one is hands-on, but also the authors are really good at introducing skills that you will need to build LLM for production. Real good read, and I will encourage you to go through this book. All right, so the next book here, I don't have an actual physical book with me. AI Engineering by Chip Huyn. I think that's how you say her last name. This is a game changer. So Huyn is this very smart woman in tech who is doing amazing things. The book is about building applications with foundational models. And the great thing about this book is that it's not necessarily about the coding side of things. It's about conceptualizing, understanding the AI engineering, the behind the scenes of building LLMs based applications. So it's a really good read. It is intermediate to advanced, so you have to have some basics, fundamentals of large language models and AI and all that. But I would say it doesn't matter your level. If you want something a little bit challenging and want to read about building applications with foundational models, understanding even what foundational models are, this is indeed a really good book. So go ahead and grab it. I mean, just these two books that I've just shared with you, if you are able to grab them and read them and really hone in, I'm telling you, the way you look at large language models and how to build LLM-based applications and deploying them and really understanding where this industry is going, you are going to be prepared for what's coming with AI, large language models, and all of that. So I really encourage you to go check them out. So I've got more books for large language models because that's what we do in this channel. But before we even go forward, I have one more book that I'm going to share with you when it comes to AI engineering and all of that. And that's going to be later in the video. So stick around for that. Now, I said earlier that when it comes to learning, when it comes to becoming a master of knowledge, as I like to call it, it's not just about one side, right? We're talking about large language models, we're talking about AI and all of that. But you also are a human, which means you have different facets to yourself, which means you are a well-rounded person who also has other things that are going on in your life. And so this concept of learning stuff, this concept of mastery, I don't think is just one-sided concept. If you want to become really good at understanding large language models, understanding how engineering behind large language models work, you will read those books as well. But if you want to be a well-rounded person, you will also read books about programming in general, or books about how to think, how to learn, and all of that. And that's how I do, because I enjoy learning, and I think you do as well. Because at the end of the day, what you want to happen is you want to be able to become a well-rounded person, developer, or engineer who is really good at solving problems. You have to practice how to solve problems. Speaking of learning and mastering AI skills, LLM skills, and problem-solving skills, I'm very excited to talk about today's sponsor, Brilliant.org. So here's the thing. If you want to boost your reasoning skills, problem-solving skills, when it comes to AI engineering or engineering, computer science, math, what have you, the STEM side of things, then this platform, Brilliant.org, is unreal. I use it myself. Brilliant teaches you through interactive lessons. Think math, programming, and logic puzzles you solve yourself. It's perfect for LLM engineers and people who are building and learning about AI, machine learning, and all of that awesome stuff. Great thing about Brilliant is that it really brings you all of the tools that you need to learn how to think fast and smarter. That is one of the things I like about Brilliant, the way everything is structured. So really, it's like having a hands-on companion to these books, right? So because you're building your intuition one step at a time. Unlike traditional courses, Brilliant teaches you by doing, because they have these interactive courses that allow you to actually do things and learn that way. So they have hands-on lessons in math, programming, AI, and logic. So whether you are a developer who wants to improve your understanding of algorithms or just someone who loves learning, Brilliant makes it fun, most importantly, engaging while you are learning. To try everything Brilliant has to offer, free for a full 30 days, visit brilliant.org VinciBits, you will see here. Plus, most importantly, you'll get 20% off an annual premium subscription if you follow the link in the video or in the description and go from there. In order for you to be smarter, it's not just about focusing in one thing, although that's important, but it's also a good idea to connect the dots with other subjects that you may be interested in. And that's the reason why I'm going to also share with you some of the books that are not necessarily about AI engineering or engineering in general, but are about expanding your brain. Okay, so the first book on this segment that I'm going to share with you is The Science of Rapid Skill Acquisition. This book here. Now, it's very unassuming and it's by Peter Hollins. This book is amazing in so many ways because it just teaches you how to master skills, which is one of the things I enjoy. I'm a person that loves to learn. I want to master a lot of things. And so this is what I call advanced methods to learn, remember, and master new skills and information. So the skills that you learn from this book can be applied into anything in your life. Could be playing a violin, as they say here, but also playing the guitar, piano, singing, learning to code, understanding AI, LLM engineering, what have you. So the same kinds of methodologies, paradigms, mental paradigms that you can use for AI and all that, you can also use in your life. So another great book. Okay, so the other book that I really enjoy, and I'm still reading it 10 times and I will continue to read, is this book called The Great Mental Models. So to understand how this works is that mental models are these frameworks that were created or compiled by many smart people about how you solve problems, but most importantly, how you see systems in the world. And so it's a book that I think anyone who loves to learn, if you want to become an engineer of any kind, you've got to understand how this works. I know I come back to engineering because that's what we do, but these great mental models are, if you're a human being who values learning and want to become better, have better frameworks for learning things, then this is a really good book as well. Okay, this is by Fernham Street. General Thinking Concepts. I forget the name of the guy, but I will leave all that information below. A lot of information here. For instance, to give you an example, why mental models, understanding reality. They even define here what mental models are. Says a mental model is simply a representation of how something works. Very cool. Thinking in systems. That's how I think about it. One of the things I like also is they have this circle of competence. If you can see, it's kind of hard to see, but you can see here, there. All right, so a lot of good stuff. So I really recommend this book, and it's one of those things that you don't read in one take. You read and go back to it as a reference book. Okay, so the other book here that I think you will enjoy and I think you should read, and I'm still reading actually, to be honest, is The Almanac of Naval Ravikant. This guy is one of the smartest people out there. This is actually forwarded by Tim Ferriss. So it's a book about just wisdom in general. So Naval is one of those VCs who also is very technical in Silicon Valley, and he is very successful, but also very knowledgeable. He's very, very smart. You can Google and learn more about him. I like it because these are bite-sized pieces of information, of advice, and that we should all follow. So I'm still reading this book. This is a really good book for you to also read. The other one is this book here. It is very deceiving for some of you. You may think, why would I talk about art? This is all about AI and all that great stuff. But this book is by Steven Pressfield. This man, impressive. If you want to really hone in how to become more resilient, how to give yourself permission, how to really be bold and actually do things with your life, this is a book, one of the books that you should definitely look into. The War of Art: Break Through the Blocks and Win Your Inner Creativity Battles. I love this because in so many ways speaks not only to artists, because I think entrepreneurs, engineers are also artists in some ways. And so the great thing about this book is about it allows you to dream big, allows you to fight resistance, and just live the best life of creating things, of serving, of fully engaged in your overall productivity or overall call, if I will, in your life. So what is it that you are really passionate about, really want to do, and you could do it till the end, essentially, and how to give yourself permission to be bold and go after your dreams. So I've read this 2 times, and any book that he puts out, they're very short and to the point. Amazing writer, Steven Pressfield, my favorite. All right, we're getting there, folks. So keep in mind that stick around because I still have 2 books that talk about AI, LLMs, and all this stuff, the techie stuff that I think you're gonna enjoy. The other book that I've been reading is this book called The Laws of Human Nature. Now, this book here is going to show you how to think about humans, how to think about yourself, your mental blocks, who you are as a person, and all of the behavioral disorders and all these different things. And so if you read this, you're gonna understand human nature like any other, right? This book is a compilation of stories from 1500s and so forth, where Robert Greene goes through and dissecting human nature, behaviors, how people think, how people manipulate even, and all of that. So it's a good book and I'm still reading it. So The Laws of Human Nature. All right, so I've got a lot of more books that are not necessarily related to AI or engineering, but I want to show you a few of my favorites that I'm reading right now. All right, the moment you've been waiting for. Here is the last book that I want to share with you that blew my mind when it comes to LLM engineer. It's called LLM Engineer's Handbook. You've got to get this book. This book is all about stepping into the world of large language models with hands-on. These 2 authors, Paul and Maxime Lebon, these are skilled developers, skilled LLM developers who really know their stuff. They dissect everything when it comes to actually building LLM-based applications, right? That's why it's called LLM Engineer's Handbook. They really take you through the process of mastering the art of engineering large language models from concept to production. It is incredible. You just have to read to understand the magnitude of this book. In fact, I'm going to buy an actual physical copy because I just love actually having physical copies of books anyway, and this book deserves it. I learned so much from this book. I think I've become a better engineer, and I continue to become a better engineer because of this book, to be honest with you. And one of the things that I like about this book is, number 1, lots of hands-on. Number 2, they introduce a lot of different tools. I mean, these are engineers who work on this. That's all they do, and they're really good at what they do. I learned a ton. And so if you buy this book, or if you go ahead and read this book, you are not going to regret it. It's really good. It's that good. There you go, my folks. This was the video. I just want to share with you the other side of me, or of trying to become the best LLM engineer you can possibly be by immersing yourself into these books. Not only books that are direct to AI engineering, but also other books that are part of you becoming a well-rounded engineer, developer, coder, what have you. If this was helpful to you, let me know in the comments and share with me other books that you would recommend as well. And let me know if you like this format of me sharing what I read and all that. I love books. So if this is something that interests you, let me know and I'll be more than happy to make another video for you guys. Thank you so much for your time. I hope all is well. And till next time, be well.